go and pick up the power steering. So when I reach here, I'm gonna talk with the guys and try to get an understanding as to what they did to get the power steering sorted out. Hello. Yeah man, Graham here.
Oh!
Alright.
I big cameraman. Come on.
Alright.
Come. Sorry. What are you doing right now? What are you doing right now is checking with this Recon Pinion.
Oh, so, okay. This one is an electric one.
Electric Recon, that's why on the street.
Okay.
So what we do now, we have some of them pre-built already. Like this rack here.
Yeah.
So we know that the bushing, the shaft, the valve is good.
Yeah.
So right here, we call the torque sensor.
Okay.
So torque sensor and motor. So what happens now, like when we check if the shaft don't have no wear, teeth and so forth. So after that, we just remove the sensor, the motor, and replace it with that rack and pinion, and everything is customers are the way.
Okay.
So what we do now is just a pre-test to make sure. You get what I'm saying, boss?
Well, make sure that all of these
the
are.
the teeth is good.
Okay. The gears in there.
Yeah, gear.
Okay.
So you turn it now. Check it. So right now it has shaped too much, so what I'm doing, adjust it.
Oh, it has a adjusting
Yeah,
knob.
that's an adjuster.
Okay, that's the adjusting area. Alright, cool. That like tension the gear area. Okay.
Yeah.
So is it a case like as it wear your arm?
You have a lot of play.
Okay.
You have a lot of play. And worse is whenever if the bushing is gone.
Yes.
Some people adjust the gear. But when you adjust the gear, it causes the teeth to wear more.
Oh.
Because the bushing is not there to balance it.
Okay, right.
So you see it? Alright, look now. You see where the racket? You see how this moving?
Yeah.
See how the shaft moving? This tell you that the shaft, there's no bushing in it.
Right. Wow, that small movement. But
Yes.
when you're dip on the road now, that just amplified.
So what happened now is when you stabilize this, when it's in the middle, you see the plane. When you stabilize the bushing now, it become firm.
Okay.
So what am I gonna do now? I'm gonna just take out the motor. And just put it on rack and it's ready to go.
Okay, so
what we done now, we just rebuild this.
okay, so what you do, you tend to try and keep stock of some of the common rack and pinions, you know,
Right.
Go back.
Right. Like
Okay.
stream, like these rack and pinion superior used to throw away.
Okay.
So
Well,
they
you.
realize they can rebuild.
Oh, so you
So
know
then
for work
they
the
know-
magic on them.
They take it to us and rebuild them.
Okay, that's good.
Which is even more better than buying a used part.
Yeah. Alright, so what the magic you work for my one now?
Your one upon the stock. Your one full of water.
You found anything wrong with them? The sealant the damage in it too?
No, the teeth wouldn't be damaged from that. What happened, water get in it and rust the shaft.
Okay.
I put a lot of wood. The shaft itself,
Yeah.
it have a lot of holes in it. So what we do, we put it by the lid and
machine.
polish it around, man.
Okay, so the shaft in there was pitted.
Yeah, pitted, yeah.
Okay. Alright then. Alright.
5-4.
So good to go then.
Yeah.
So we'll get 1 year warranty on this rack and pinion. And how they know it's theirs, they put a stamp right here.
That's the initial right there.
Okay. Oh, are you them call Ann?
Yes, that's
Alright, so this is one of the workers here at Recon Power Steering. So he's one of the specialists. So yeah, tell me, so the shaft was pitted.
Yeah.
So on water they get in it, so that is why it ended up the way it ended up. So supposed to go, you know. Alright, so thanks guys. Much appreciated.
All the best.
Cool. Alright, so we're going to be going to look for the steering grommet. The Recon Pinion grommet rubber now. I was informed that what I have is the same thing as the Toyota Tercel. So I am going to check for that. I'm going to check around some different parts place for it. I was told one place and I honestly don't like going to that place, but I'll go and go check and see if I can get it there. Alright, so back at the garage. What we have to fit up is we need to put on these rubbers, these here rubbers. This one goes on the right side and this is for the left side. Now I was looking for this, found out that the Tercel, this Recon Pinion is the same as the Tercel Recon Pinion. So I've been looking around for it, and this is not a part that many people tend to change, so not everywhere stocks it. So I'll get looking. What I'll do in the meantime is just fit up back the car with these and get them at a later date. This one isn't in bad condition. This one can work with. As you can see. But this one, you see, it's really torn up. From this part number that we have here, I did a search and it turns out that is the same thing as the Nissan Sunny B13. So turn the steering wheel, put it in the lock. Yeah, leave it on.
Make sure to like, share, comment your feedback, and subscribe. We'll see you in the next episode.